Step into the 1998 Mazda B-Series 2WD Truck SE. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include driver airbag, steel wheels, ABS, front disc rear drum brakes, passenger airbag, and leather steering wheel. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.